Everyone knows that our parents are the reason we look the way that we do. Each parent passes down a portion of their DNA that contributes to an individual's physical and genetic makeup. But how exactly does the process of inheritance work? The chromosomal theory of inheritance is a unified theory that chromosomes are responsible for inheritance. To better understand the chromosomal theory of inheritance, you need to know where the theory started. In the 18th century, an Austrian monk named Gregor Mendel experimented with the hybridization of pea plants. Mendel would cross-pollinate pea plants of different colors to see what the color of the offspring would be. He performed this experiment several times and discovered the basics of how characteristics or traits are inherited. His idea is the laws of inheritance. The first law of inheritance is the law of segregation. The law states that traits separate independently during gamete formation, meaning that parent cells with two genes or alleles for a trait will separate and create two cells with one allele each. The second law of inheritance is the law of independent assortment. This law states that when two or more characteristics are inherited, they sort independently and do not affect each other. Mendel's discovery was groundbreaking but not widely accepted and was forgotten for some time. Years later, in 1902, a man named Theodor Baveri was testing some of Mendel's laws of inheritance on sea urchins. Baveri discovered that sea urchin embryos would not develop without the presence of chromosomes. Later that year, another man by the name of Walter Sutton was working with grasshoppers and observed the separation of chromosomes into daughter cells during meiosis. Baveri and Sutton's work combined with Mendel's laws of inheritance was the foundation for the chromosomal theory and the first step in proving traits were inherited on chromosomes. In 1915, Thomas Morgan Hunt was working with fruit flies and applying Mendel's laws to observe the inheritance of eye color. During his experiments, Hunt was able to demonstrate and provide evidence that genes are carried on chromosomes. In summary, even though Hunt was the one to provide evidence proving chromosomes are the basic unit of inheritance, the chromosomal theory would not exist without the work and theories of his predecessors. Thanks for listening.